Be writing JAMB in 2025. I'll be sharing with you the important dates, like the dates for registration, the date for your mock exam for JAMB, and the date for the main exam, and also possibly the date you should expect your results. So let's go. JAMB registration for 2025. Registration period for registering. Key dates for registering JAMB. The registration period, like you can see here officially, it will open on January 15th of January and close on 26th of February. Between January 15th and February 26th, that is the time for registration for JAMB. So it's better you start now to get your NIN ready, get all relevant materials you need, because by 15th of January, you can start registering for the JAMB, and you have from between 15th of January to 26th of February to register, okay? Mock exam. Mock will be tentatively by 7th of March 2025, The official JAMB exam. The exam itself will happen between 18th April and 28th April, just within 10 days. Of course, you know it's not written one day, depending on your own day. The exam itself will happen 18th April to 28th of April in 2025. So I've said registration is 15th to 26th February 2025. Mock, the mock for JAMB is optional. If you opted in for it while registering, 7th of March 2025, you should be able to write. Then the exam itself will happen between 18th April and 28th April 2025. Now, this is the official date. If there is now any change between now and when you'll be writing the exam, of course, here in our channel, we will be the first to update you. Remember, if you have not subscribed to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, I will send you the syllabus for all the subjects we'll be writing, the 4 of them, free of charge. If you also need past questions, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. You can also see the payments. If you are writing your JAMB with the mock, you pay 7,700. Without the mock, you pay 7,200. If you are in another country, you are not within Nigeria, you can pay $30 to register for your JAMB. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. What I've just shared with you are the important dates for JAMB this year.